In this recording, IBM Bob in the Premium Package for I is going to take a look at generating an entity relationship diagram. Let's get started. So the Premium Package for I contains a database mode and also leveraging our native connector. IBM Bob can go take a look at information on the IBM I itself. So we have the TOYSCORE schema that has many tables that are part of it. How do they all fit together? Well, leveraging the new command /erd, Bob can go ahead and start the process of interrogating each table within that schema, learning about how it all fits together. It can go leverage our system catalogs to pull some base information. It can then look at each table to get each of the columns as well as the column data types. It can go pull out constraints. It can go pull out foreign key relationships, showing you how each of these tables fit together. Are they parent? Are they child? What is the relationships between them? Once all the data is gathered, Bob will go off and leveraging a Mermaid diagramming support to create and assemble this data into a visual that makes a lot of sense. So here you can see each table, all the columns, the data types, and the relationships between each of these tables. Bob, showing you how the data on the IBM I and the databases and schemas can all fit together.